thank you for tuning into my channel. My name is Samantha, and if this is your first time tuning in, thank you for watching this video. Just don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Also turn on your post notification so that you are notified once I post a video. Today's video is very exciting. It is my fall vlog. This is my first fall haul that I'll be doing, and I'm so excited because I picked up some pieces from Amazon as well as HomeSense, Dollarama, and Michaels that I'm really excited to show you guys. I hope you guys do enjoy this video, and let's get into it. So starting off with Amazon, I got these throw covers. The size is about 20 by 20. So I'm going to use these for my bedroom as well as my living area for the throw pillows that I have. The size of my throw pillows in my bedroom and my living room is approximately 24 by 24, I think it is. I wanted to get that the chopped look, so whenever you want to get that look, you always want to make sure that your covers are a little bit smaller than the size of your actual pillows. That's how you get that chopped look. My next item that I got from Amazon are these pumpkins, these artificial pumpkins. They come with the little gold toppings on them, so you can actually just insert them or decorate them however you want. I think I'm gonna keep them this color because it's neutral and it goes along with majority of my decoration in my home. It's mainly white, and just decorate them all around. I'll have these linked in my Amazon store as well as a description down below. Like all the stuff that I got from Amazon, I will be linking in my Amazon store, so you can just click the link and you will see those items there. Next, I got these. Well, they look and feel very real. Now, I love orchids. However, I would prefer the white ones, but I saw these and I was thinking that I'm going to have my color theme to be, you know, burgundy, burnt orange, rust, all of that. I am such an indecisive person that now I'm thinking I only want to do the orange and black and white for my decor. So now I have these burgundy ones, and I'm thinking, should I return them? I don't know. We'll see. But they're really nice. Stems are really long. I'll link these exact ones that I got in my store so you can see the size of them as well. Yeah, I got 4 of these. So the next item that I got from Amazon are these roses. So I got these artificial roses because I was gonna use these for my centerpiece on my coffee table. I like the color theme of them. It has exactly what I was thinking for my color theme: the burnt orange, the rust, a hint of blush, as well as these gold leaves that you can just add as an additional piece of accessory to your centerpiece decor. Really like the look of these, so I think they would work perfect for the look that I'm going for, and I'm hoping it turns out exactly how I have in my head, because oftentimes that's not the case. Moving on, I got this set from Dollarama, and I use these for like decorating my, maybe like a bowl. I think that they would look really nice with the color theme that I have in mind, and what I want to actually get done. I think they're gonna look really good. So another pumpkin that I got is this one. This is $5. I think this would look really nice on my entertainment stand. It has the sparkle sequins on it, so it looks really nice. I love it. I love the deep brown color, so yeah. And then I got these two pumpkins as well. So you got the bronze and then the light gold color. Each of these were $3. Also got this little vase that I think I'm gonna use this for some tea lights. And then finally I got this pumpkin as well. As you can tell, a lot of the stuff I got from the dollar store, they're all pumpkins. So those are all the items that I got so far from the dollar store and Amazon. Now we're gonna go on to the items that I got from HomeSense. Now HomeSense is where I call it my happy place, and it's a good and a bad thing because I spent a lot of money at HomeSense. First up, we have this diffuser. It's the amber and sandalwood high fragrance diffuser. It smells so good, and I just could not leave this because I was like, oh, okay, this smells perfect for fall, and just the smell of it alone, loved it. It's so warm, so cozy, and it just makes you want to just snuggle up on your couch, and I just, oh my god, I love it. So had to get it. I paid $9.99 for it. I'm probably gonna use this one in my living room because it's just so cozy and it just makes you want to snuggle up. The next item that I got is this candle. This is the vanilla and sandalwood day room candle, and it smells so good. Oh, you guys can't smell it, no. It smells so good. I cannot stop smelling. This is probably gonna be in my room. Price of this one was $14.99. Mind you, I don't know why, but in HomeSense you find some items that is priced differently, because I saw this same candle for $16.99 and then this one was $14.99. So I was just like, okay, I need it for $14.99 because yeah, I got two of them. So I was just like, I need both of them for $14.99 or less because I'm not gonna be paying the $16. And so she gave me for $14.99 both of them. But this is vegan soy wax blend. It's blended with essential oils. Burn time is approximately 72 hours. This candle is a fall candle. And I also got another pumpkin. Paid $7.99 for this one, and I feel like this would look really good on my my book stand. Obviously I have a lot of pumpkins in my decor, which fall is about. And then I got these smaller ones. These are actual candles that you can just decorate around. If you're using like a bowl or anything like that, you can just use these all around for your decoration. These were $9.99. It burns up to 2 hours at a time. It's a pack of 6. So next item I got from HomeSense is this vase bottle. This is $7.99, and I think this would be perfect for some of the flowers that I got. I'm gonna be using this vase probably in my kitchen countertop area and get some flowers to put in. I think it would look really nice if I top it off with some candles and some of those, you know, decorative pieces around it. My next item that I got from HomeSense is this beautiful, absolutely stunning vase. Very textured. I think I'm gonna be using this one along my entryway. So love the design of it, and I paid $19.99 for this one. Absolutely beautiful, because I was looking for something like this, and online I was seeing them for $30, $60. No, absolutely not. So glad I found this one. It's gonna look beautiful wherever I put it. So next up we have this tray. I always wanted a tray for my coffee table, so I may be using this one. I also got another tray that I'm trying to decide between this and that one, which I will use for my coffee table. But I love this piece because I use it on my kitchen counters. It is the perfect size for your coffee table or for your countertops, to have certain items kept in here, and you can just decorate around it. I think this would be perfect. $60.99 that I paid for it. My next item that I got from HomeSense, room spray. This is also the vanilla sandalwood room spray, and I'm telling you, this thing smells so good. It's so cozy. You just want to snuggle all the time when you smell this. I know my living room, my bedroom, everywhere is just gonna be smelling so good because I'm going to use the heck out of it. I got this book. This book is very popular. Very people who are really interested in home decor and home design, they literally have this book, so it goes perfect with everything else, and it's a perfect fall book. Like, the color and everything is just, it screams fall, so why not get it? I also got from HomeSense these so this set I think would be perfect to just add that little bit of luxury to your home. I actually got this because I thought it would be really good for me to use this with the trays that I got. So I'm gonna see how it turns out. Are also scented, and I think the scent of them is also sandalwood. So I don't know, I think my home this whole fall is gonna be all about sandalwood and vanilla. Anything cozy is gonna be a part of my decor, because I want my home to feel very cozy, very warm, and being in that mood, in that space for fall. I know this video is probably gonna be a little bit late, but we still in the fall spirit over here. I also got some items from Michaels. I got these eucalyptus stems, and each one was about $5.99 because they were 50% off. They were originally $11.99. One thing I love about these is that they are artificial, so you're gonna have these for next year, the year after. Hang on to the next purchase. Michaels are these, the maple leaf stem, and I paid $1.49 for them. They were originally $2.99. 5 of these, and I thought they would look really good, especially if I was gonna use them in the different vase that I purchased. I think they would look really good coupled with other decor items that I got. So really excited, and I can't wait to just decorate and see how everything come together, because that is the best feeling in the world, is when you have this vision of something that you want and then you see it come to life. Like, you put it together and it comes to life. So I can't wait to just decorate and see how all of that happens. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification, as well as comment down below. Make sure that you also like the video. If you would like to see more videos from my channel, just do subscribe. And you also comment if you have any questions of anything, just ask me in the comments below.